So how do we actually get the Google Play Store on our LG TV? So firstly, what we need to do is to actually go where it says apps here, as you can see. So where it says apps here, just click on it. And then we should be taken here, as you can see, which is perfect. So on this page right here, what we need to do is that we're going to click on the search icon. Oops, sorry guys, I'm just gonna go back to apps here. And then we're gonna click on the search icon in the top right corner here, basically. So click on the search icon here, and then we're gonna search like this. So just search for Play. So search for Play, and then Store, of course. So I'm just gonna search for Store. Perfect, now click on the green symbol here where it says search, and now it's gonna take us a couple of minutes, and then we're just gonna scroll down here all the way down until you can see web. So click on web here, just wait a couple of seconds for it to load, and then you can see the first option here where it actually says Android apps on Google Play. You can see, so if we go here, so I'm just gonna go here, and you can see you're able to now get it here. And yeah, basically that is exactly how to get the Google Play Store on your LG TV here, as you can see.